Diamond 216 Delta Golf request.
Go ahead.
6 Delta Golf, say Delta Alpha 40/Golf. Requesting flight following to Henderson. I am 19 miles west of Van Nuys, climbing to 9,500. 5346.
Off your radar, northeast Delmore.
6 Delta Golf.
Maintain VFR at or below 8,000.
VFR at or below 8,000, 6 Delta Golf.
3 Delta Papa, or 3-2 Papa, you can resume on navigation.
Resume on nav, 3-2 Papa.
Alright, 6 Delta Golf, altitude restriction deleted.
6 Delta Golf, roger that.
Second approach is the Cherokee 8908 November, just northeast of Whiteman. November 8908 November, was that you calling? That's correct, 08 November.
Diamond Star 6 Delta Golf, turn right heading at 210.
210, 6 Delta Golf.
Flight 2196, contact Las Vegas Star 118.75.
1875 Frontier Flight 2196.
Diamond Star 6 Delta Golf, traffic 10 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, the Challenger 6,500, descending into Henderson.
6 Delta Golf looking. And 6 Delta Golf has the traffic.
6 Delta Golf, roger. Maintain visual separation from that traffic. You can resume on navigation on course.
6 Delta Golf.
So 2 Bravo Golf, clear, visual for 35 left Henderson.
Clear visual, 25 left, 2 Bravo Golf.
Diamond Star 6 Delta Golf, contact Las Vegas approach 125.02.
2502 for 6 Delta Golf, so long. Las Vegas approach. Diamond Star 216 Delta Golf with you, passing 6,900 for 8,500.
November 216 Delta Golf, Vegas approach, roger. 6 Delta Golf, traffic about 7 miles ahead of you, reported pretty rough in the climb, so if you want to continue above 85, that's approved.
6 Delta Golf, copy.
Storm over here.
Yeah, that's the winds.
No.
That's why we're going to go up to 10,500.
November 216 Delta Golf, you are outside Bravo airspace now, contact Los Angeles Center on 134.65.
3465 for 6 Delta Golf, so long. Doesn't it go?
Diamond Star 6 Delta Golf, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 15 miles, opposite direction, Sirius descending through 10,400.
6 Delta Golf looking.
1 Charlie Romeo, maintain VFR at or below 9,500 for that opposite direction, Diamond Star.
At or below 95, 1 Charlie Romeo.
And Diamond Star 6 Delta Golf, that traffic should be descending below your altitude. They should be no factor.
Roger, I'm showing them below me now on the box. There's the airfield. Just to the right of the nose. There.
Cessna 5 November Delta, number 2, follow traffic just over the numbers, runway 26, clear for the option.
Number 2, runway 26, clear for the option, 5 November Delta.
Diamond 6 Delta Golf, number 2, follow Cessna South, beam the numbers, runway 26, clear to land.
6 Delta Golf, clear to land, number 2. Okay, there's 2,000 for, coming up on 2,100.
And Camarillo Tower is 6541. We'd actually like to request short approaches for the remainder of our time here. It's just going to be a couple more landings.
Cessna 411, I have your request. It looks like I've got a couple aircraft right now, so it may be another lap or two before I can get another one in.
Camarillo Tower, roger, 6541.
Alright, autopilot's off.
Diamond 6 Delta Golf, resequence, number 3, follow Cessna midfield, left downwind, runway 26, still clear to land.
6 Delta Golf, still clear to land, number 3, looking for the Cessna.
Cessna 411, number 2, follow Cessna over the abandoned portion, short approach approved, runway 26, cleared for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, short approach approved, 411.
Wind 220 at 8.
220 at 8. A little bit of a crosswind.
Tower plot is 922 Papa Bravo over.
Okay, there's 1 degree of flaps.
Pilatus 922 Papa Bravo, Camarillo Tower, crossover midfield, at or above 1,500, and make left traffic for runway 26.
At or above 1,500, left traffic for 26.
Looking for the Cessna. To be turning in front of us. There he is. 11 o'clock, going 11:30, on base.
Cessna 5 November Delta, extend upwind 1 mile, please.
Sending upwind 1 mile, 5 November Delta.
Okay, flaps are full.
Pilatus 2 Papa Bravo, number 3, follow Diamond Star, 1.5 mile final. Runway 26, clear to land.
Alright, number 3, runway 26, clear to land, 2 Papa Bravo, looking for traffic to follow.
Cessna 5 November Delta, left cross when approved.
Left cross when approved, 5 November Delta.
$500.
Pilatus 2 Papa Bravo, that traffic to follow is just off your left low, inside a mile final.
2 Papa Bravo, just got them in sight.
Tower 71551 on Tango.
Cessna 71551, Camarillo Tower, make right traffic, runway 26.
Right traffic 2650.
Camarillo Tower, Gulfstream 631, Victor Roma is with you outside Cove on the GPS 631, correct.
Gulfstream 631, Victor Romeo, Camarillo Tower, continue.
Continue on Victor.
Cessna 5 November Delta number 2, follow Pilatus, inside a mile final, runway 26, cleared for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, runway 26, 5 November Delta.
Cessna 5 November Delta, additional Cessna traffic will depart prior to arrival.
Roger, 5 November Delta.
Camarillo Tower 999 Juliet is holding.
Camarillo ground 216 Delta Golf, clear Charlie, taxi to CFI.
Diamond Star 216 Delta Golf, Gamer ground taxi to CFI via Charlie Foxtrot.
Charlie Foxtrot to CFI, 6 Delta Golf. Hey, flaps are up. Pumps off. Transponder. Welcome to Camarillo.